Ford fans, look at Ron Murick's '64 Ford Galaxy. He's going up against Saul McCracken in a '69 Gold Grand Prix. The Ford is the winner, 12.44. Here's an AMX with Jerry Quilazar driving against Russ Stover's Cutlass. The Javelin wins in 11.01. In the far lane, it's Patty Dick and a '71 Maverick racing Chris Holliday's Nova 396. The Ford wins, 14.75 the ET. Outside lane, Dick Kincaid's Bel Air. Inside lane, Sam Sicily and a '78 Regal. Kincaid the winner, 12.96. On the left, Dave King. On the right, Mike Gamby. Dave King runs away with it, 12.39. Mark Kristen's '63 Chevy Biscayne on the right against Bob Frazie's GTX. Kristen wins, 12.69. Tony Longtree in the GTO against Chuck Kilo's Malibu. Longtree fouls. The win is Kilos in 12.85. Here's George Jellison in a 1970 Buick GS against Dick Cavanaugh's Grand National. Cavanaugh wins, 12.69. Here's Bob Lowry's 1955 Bel Air, racing Doug Gamble's Nova. The older Chevy comes through, 13.79. Butch Foster's '66 Fairlane running Randy Vivian's Trans Am. Foster wins, a 12.79. Here's Doug Chabello in an AMC Spirit against Jeff Stoker's Nova 327. The Spirit falls short. It's the Nova in 13.15. Here's a '69 GS Riviera against a '68 Skylark. Paul Burnett wins, 10.05. Here's Gary Wagner's Red Fairlane. against Dave Barton. Dave drives a Mustang 302. The Fairlane wins in 13.69. Bob Sodal in a sharp Chevelle. Racing Jim Dunn's Buick. Too bad, a foul cost Sodal the race. Dunn gets the win. Bob George's Challenger 440 takes on Stacy Blasiot's Chevelle 307. The Challenger runs away, 10.82. On the left, Bill Willis. On the right, Jason Chavik. Bill's Buick 455 wins 12.68. Here's the final for factory stock big block heads up. Lee Hollingsworth in the outside lane in his 70 Olds 442 against Bob Strickland's 70 Chevy Chevelle. Hollingsworth takes the prize with a 13.21 at 102.37 miles per hour. Here's our final for factory stock small block, 1955 to 75. John Glasgow drives his 64 GTO to a 13.69 win over Bill Klupper's 65 Vet. The final for factory stock small block, 1976 and up. Lori Kostoff's Mustang has a problem, and Ron Becker's Corvette ZR1 wins the class with a 13.02. Here are more heads-up finals, now in Superstock Big Block 1955 to 1975. It's Chevy versus Ford, with Danny Kellums in a 69 Camaro against Ontario's Barry Poole, driving a 68.5 Mustang 428. The Camaro is the class champ, an 11.74 ET, 114 miles per hour. Now the small blocks, 55 to 75. Sonny Seal's 69 Buick California against Tim Kirby's Mustang 289 in the near lane. Kirby leaves too early, and the Buick wins with a 12.27. Our last race of the weekend, the King of the Hill Finals. Doug Wright's 63 Dodge against Dick Kincaid and his 56 Chevy. Doug red lights. The Chevy wins in 12.82.